On today's episode, we've got the wow factor,
We've got the property.
and we definitely got the garage space. All that and more on today's episode.
All right, Steve, you never cease to amaze me. Look at this incredible park-like setting here. Tell me where we're located today.
That's right, Scotty. Well, thanks for that compliment. We're right on the edge of Midland here. We're surrounded by gorgeous mature trees, over 2 acres of beauty here. Folks, we're literally 5 minutes to the historic shops and restaurants of downtown Midland. We're also 5 minutes, obviously, to Georgian Bay, some of the best salmon fishing in Ontario, and we're just 5 minutes to the Midland Golf and Country Club and the Midland Hospital.
Couldn't agree more. Now let me tell you, the home you see in behind us here matches the beautiful property it is situated on. It is full of architectural flair, not to mention a tremendous amount of uniqueness. I'm talking about 6 bedrooms total, 4 bathrooms total, 2 separate kitchens, 2 laundry rooms, not to mention separate entrance to the lower level. But I haven't even got to the best part yet. We were talking about not 3, not 4, but 5 separate garage bays, plus a loft in the mix, not to mention parking for the entire Knowles Woolsey team and more. Let's head inside and check out this incredible property.
Now this main floor has so much to love here. Check out this open concept kitchen, living, dining area space here. The kitchen features granite countertops, a cooktop. It's got a double wall oven, stainless steel appliances. Now this window package is absolutely incredible, basking in light through this entire space. And my favorite feature is this large dining room space, perfect for hosting Thanksgiving dinner for 10, 20 or more.
And as we know, all those dinner parties end with migrating over here into your incredible great room. And let me tell you, this one does not disappoint. You got the beautiful loft ceilings up above here. We're soaring up to 15 feet, all tongue and groove wood. It is absolutely spectacular. But of course, it's anchored with the beautiful gas fireplace in behind me with the stone mantle. And then you're just a walk right out onto your beautiful deck surrounded by all that gorgeous forest.
Now, how is this for a primary suite? Talk about hitting all the I wants here. A great space, tons of room for the king size bed as well as your additional furniture. Now, my favorite feature here is this newly renovated 5-piece ensuite bath here. You've got glass shower, double sinks, quartz countertops, and over and above that, you have a giant walk-in closet with all those built-ins you're just gonna love.
Now, we talked a lot about wow factor with this home, and a lot of it is attributed to this incredible loft level up in the 2nd floor. Now, it all overlooks that lower level as well, so you've got such an incredible feel from upstairs to down. But then again, all the beautiful tongue and groove pine that runs through here, this makes an ideal area for a separate living room area, maybe a spot for the kids to play and hang out, or perhaps you're looking for one epic home office. This would be the spot to do it. But this level is also wrapped up with an incredible bedroom back here with its own private balcony overlooking that picturesque forest, plus you got a 3-piece bath.
Now this lower level certainly does not disappoint. It's a completely self-contained 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment here. It's perfect for extended family and or adult children if they want to have their own private space. Now we've got a ton of above grade windows here, a ton of natural light, a beautiful gas fireplace, and it all overlooks this gorgeous mature treed private setting.
All right, now we covered all the pretty aspects of the home. Now let's get down to the exciting aspects of the home, and that of course comes down to the recreation side and all the storage space that comes along with it. It's common to find maybe a 2-car garage, even a 3-car garage if you're lucky, but in this case we're talking about 5 different garage bays that are in play here. You've got 2 that are in behind me on the main home, and then a full separate shop with another double-car garage up top, not to mention another single that is in behind it as well. And the beauty is that it comes with a ton of surface parking as well. So we're talking about snowmobiles, ATVs, boats, trailers, you can cover it all, not to mention host one heck of a party without having anyone parked on the road. How good is that?
Now, in my 4 decades of real estate, rarely have I seen this unique and incredible mix of ingredients. The home itself obviously has a ton of features and versatility that is truly rare. But what's even more rare is the ingredients that are on the boundaries of the property here. The 1 acre piece that goes along with the property is stunning and landscaped itself, but the real story here, folks, is directly in behind me. We've got another 1 acre piece here that is beautiful, mature, forested, and yours to enjoy. Now, we're the Knowles Woolsey team. We know Midland. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.